In my last two videos, I demonstrated how you can represent percentage using number formatting and cell formatting. I'll leave the link to these two videos in my description. But someone in the comment section had inquired, what's the real difference between these two techniques? Are they the same? If they are different, what's the difference? Let me show you the real meaning behind these two techniques. Let's start off by finding what is 15% of 2000. The formula is equal 15%, multiply that by 2000. I'm going to press F4 to make it an absolute reference and hit enter. So $300 is 15% of 2000. That sounds about right. Let's check out the cell formatting column here. If you paste it, it says that 15% of 2000 is 30,000, which is incorrect, right? So the reason behind this is that numbering format, this 15% you see here, is actually showing you the value as 0.15 because the numbering format, when you say percentage, goes from 0 to 1. That's why 0.15 multiplied by 2000 is 300. But on the flip side, for cell formatting, this number, whatever you see here, is actually whatever number it is. So right now it's showing 15. This is 6. If you want to make it into percentage or do further calculation, this should actually be 0.06 and this should be 0.15. So long and short of it, if you need to do further calculation, use number formatting. But if you want to present the percentage just for cosmetic reason, you can either use number formatting or cell formatting technique.